Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 2. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. Use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.732 wherever it is necessary. So here let us draw a suitable diagram for this question. Here let us draw a circle of radius 12 centimeter roughly. So consider this is a circle whose radius is 12 centimeter. Let us take the center as O. Now there is a chord which makes 120 degrees at the center. See here, approximately, first let us draw the diameter. Here this is 180 degrees, 180. So if you make it 3 equal parts, here is one, here is second one. Now here, from here to here if you join, then this is the chord, name it as AB. Here AB is the chord which makes or which subtends 120 degrees at the center. So here this angle can be taken as 120 degrees. 120 degrees angle is subtended by the chord AB. Now here in these two parts, where the chord divides the circle into two parts, that is here, this is called the minor segment. Now we are asked to find area of the minor segment only. So we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion, that is nothing but minor segment. Now here, this is what here 120 degrees. Okay, right. Let us start the problem. Here what is given? A circle of radius 12 centimeter. So we can write radius R is equal to 12 centimeter. Also OA and OB nothing but radii. So we can write OA is equal to OB is equal to R is equal to 12 centimeter. And here this is the angle subtended by the chord AB. So angle AOB equal 120 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Now to find, here what to be found now? We are asked to find area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is nothing but, here you observe carefully, OAB is, in fact it is a sector. From that sector, if you subtract the area of the triangle OAB, so that we are able to get the area of the minor segment. So here area of the minor segment nothing but area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Here the sector also OAB. So now here there are two things to find. First one is area of the sector and area of the triangle also. So now let us write the suitable formulas. Area of a sector formula, area of a sector, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle formula, here half into base into height. So here half into, how to decide the base? See here, if we draw perpendicular from the center O to the chord AB, this perpendicular line bisects the chord. Let us take this point as C. So clearly C is the midpoint. That means here OC is the height and AB is the base. So here we can write half into base means AB into height is OC. Now we are going to find these values. Now here let us see values. Pi is, it is given in the question, we can use pi as 3.14. and r square. R is the radius, 12 is known. So let us write here r is equal to 12 centimeter can be substituted. whereas AB is not known, AB is not given, length of the chord is not given, and OC is also not known. Now the target is to find AB and OC. Now let us move here. Right. Now observe the triangle OAB. Observe the triangle OAB carefully. Here this is 90 degrees because we have drawn a perpendicular, OC perpendicular to AB. If we do not write, we can write here that construction is draw OC which is perpendicular to AB. That means if a perpendicular line drawn from the center to a chord bisects the chord, that means C is the midpoint of AB. So we can write AC is equal to BC. That means for finding AB, if you find AC or BC, if you do twice or double it, so that you will get AB. So now our target is to find either AC or BC. Now here you consider this triangle. Which triangle? OCA. OCA. Before going to that, observe carefully. If we draw the perpendicular bisector, definitely this point is the perpendicular bisector, means this OC is the perpendicular bisector, means C is the midpoint. That means here we can say BC is equal to AC, and OC and CO, that is common side. Here angle at C, this side is 90 degrees, that means angle OCA is 90 degrees. Angle OCB is also 90 degrees because there is a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord. So here we can say we are going to take from the triangles you see, from triangle OCA and OCB. Here angle C is equal to angle C, that is right angle. Clear? That is right angle. Angle C, angle OCA 90, angle OCB 90. So that is right angle. OA is equal to OB because these two are radii of the circle. OA and OB both are equal, that is hypotenuse. And if you take OC, OC is equal to CO, that is a common side. If not, you can take AC is equal to BC because C is the midpoint of the chord AB. Whatever you take here, that will be acting as one more side. So by RHS congruency axiom, we can say triangle OCA similar to triangle OCB. Triangle OCA is congruent to triangle OCB. So their corresponding parts are equal. So by CPCT, this 120 can be splitted as, this 120 can be splitted equally as 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Clear? Since these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT we can say angle COA is equal to angle COB is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60 degrees. Now let us consider the triangle OCA. Here we write clearly angle COA or angle COB is equal to 120 by 2 is nothing but 60 degrees. Now let us take the triangle OCA. From triangle OCA where angle C equal to 90 degrees, let us draw it separately to make it clear understanding. This is OC, this is CA, join OA. Here is A, here is C, here is O, and clearly it is angle C is 90 degrees. Right. And here the given clue is that we know that OA is equal to 12. So let us write here 12 centimeter. And here angle at O is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. In fact, if you apply angle sum property, since this is 60, this is 90, this is already 90, so this angle is 180 minus 60 plus 90, that is 180 minus 150. So it is 30. So if at all you want, you can add this angle also. If not, so let us solve from here. Now our target is to find base and height. Base is here. If you want to, we have to find AB. Instead of that, if we are able to find AC into 2, if you do, then AB will get. AB is nothing but 2 times AC. So now our target to find AC. So for 60 degrees, For 60 degrees, what is AC? For 60 degrees, AC is the opposite side. Here I am writing AC is opposite side for the 60 degrees. And this is the hypotenuse. Now, which trigonometric ratio is applicable? Sin theta is applicable. So, here let us write sin theta is equal to formula opposite side to theta means opposite side to 60 degrees by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Let us substitute the values. It is sin 60. For 60 degrees opposite side is AC. That is what you are going to find. AC by hypotenuse is 12. Now, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. The value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to AC by 12. So, let us do cross multiplication. 12 into root 3 by 2. So, AC is equal to 12 into root 3 by 2. Here 12 can be cancelled by 2 6 times. So, here we can say AC is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Now, we got AC. Right. Now, after getting AC, let us find AB now. Therefore, base AB is equal to 2 times AC is equal to 2 times 6 root 3 is equal to 12 root 3 centimeter. 12 root 3 centimeter. So, we got the base of the triangle AB. Now, we have to find OC. Let us use the same triangle. For 60 degrees, AC is the opposite side and AB is the hypotenuse. Then what is OC? OC is adjacent side. OC is adjacent side. So, let us apply cos theta for the same triangle. So, cos theta is equal to formula adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Let us substitute the values. Cos, here theta is 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent side is OC. That is what we have to find. And hypotenuse is 12. You know cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to OC by 12. So, from this we can cancel, this is 2 1 jar and 2 6 jar. So, on cross multiplication, OC is equal to 6 1 jar 6 centimeter. OC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, almost all we came to the conclusion. Let us go back to the equation number 1. That is what we are going to find now. That is area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Here all the values are ready. Here R is equal to ready. AB is equal to 12 root 3. And then OC is equal to 6 centimeter. Everything is ready. So, here let us enter the last step, means almost all conclusion part. That is now area of the minor segment is equal to area of the minor segment is equal to here area of the sector. So, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is, here observe, theta means this is the sector. Sector angle is 120 degrees. So, let us write it is 120 degrees out of 360 into pi r square. Pi can be taken as 3.14. 3.14 into r square. R square is, here R is 12, 12 square. 12 square can be written as 12 into 12. This is the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. 1 by 2 into base into height, means AB into OC. Here AB is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 into OC. OC is 6. Now, let us simplify this. So, here on cancellation, it is 120 1 jar 120, 123 jar 360. Right. Now, here let us simplify this. 1 into 3.14 is 3.14. I am writing 3.14 as 314 by 100. 314 by 100. Here 1 by 3 is there. Let us cancel this 12 with this 3. 3 4 jar 12. Now, into 12 4 jar 48. This is the area of the sector. Minus here. Let us cancel this 2 and 12 6 times. Cancel 12 with 2 6 times. 6 into 6, 36 into root 36 root 3. 6 6 are 36 times root 3. Now, here let us simplify this. Multiply 314 with 48. Let us use this as this rough space. So, we multiply 314 with 48. So here 8 4s are 32, 3 is the carry forward. 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11, here 1 is the carry forward. 8 3 are 24 plus 1 25. Now with 4 4s are 16, here 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, no carry forward. 4 3s are 12. So here it is 2 7 0 1 5 1. So it is 15072. It is 15072 by 100 minus 36 into root 3 is 1.732. Root 3 is 1.732. Let us multiply that value. 36 into 1.732. So here 36 into 2. 36 2s are 72. Here 7 is the carry forward. 36 3s are 108. 108 plus 7 is 115. 115 here I am writing 5 and here 11 is the carry forward. 36 into 7. 7 6s are 42. 4 is there. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25. It is 263. 263. I am writing here 3 and 26 is carry forward. 36 1s are 36. 36 plus 26 is 62. So here it is 62. So after decimal here 3 values are there. We can keep the dot here after 3 digits. So it is 62.352. If not, here we can write it as 36 into 1732. This value I am writing as it is. That is 62.352 by, here you see after point 3 values are there, after decimal 3 digits are there. Here I am writing 1000. Right. As there is no place, I am going to rub this simplification. Now I have rubbed this calculation part. Now let us take here for 100 and 1000. 1000 is the LCM. So 100 10s are 1000. That 10 into 15072. It is 15070 minus 1000 1s are 1000. 1 into this one. Let us write as it is 62352. Now let us subtract this value. It is 10 minus 2 is 8. It is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. It is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. It is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. It is here 14. 14 minus 6 again 8. So here by 1000. Since there are 3 zeros, let us keep the decimal point after 3 digits from right to left. So here it will become 88.378. Since it is the area and here radius is in centimeter, OA, AB is in centimeter, OC in centimeter, the area will be in centimeter square, or we can say square centimeter. Therefore, the required area, that is the area of the corresponding minor segment of this circle, is 88.378 centimeter square. With this, the second problem gets completed.